Hey guys, welcome back to Cut Fashion House channel. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Today I'll teach you how to make different types of headbands. I've put the timestamp for the different types of headbands so you can skip to the one you want to learn. The first type of headband I'll be showing you is the bow headband. Cut two pieces of fabrics measuring about 4 inches by 4.5 inches and another piece measuring 9 inches by 3 inches as the elastic case. Fold the two pieces of fabric and curve out one side of the edges. Insert the elastic into the elastic case. Then stitch each of the two pieces of fabric. Turn it inside out and press. Join the elastic to the fabric. Note the stitch parts face up. After you fix that, all you just need to do is to tie the tips of your bow headband and you have your beautiful bow headband. The next type of headband I'll teach you how to make is the braided headband. Cut 3 pieces of fabrics measuring 22 inches by 4 inches each and another piece for the elastic case. This is going to be measuring 11 inches by 3 inches. To stuff the braided headband, I'll be using this veil net I found. These are remnants from materials I used in making a wedding dress. Some people use fiber to stuff the braided headband, but I find that the net is easier to buy or to find in stores. So now we're going to stitch the pieces of fabric, fix our elastic. You stitch the tip of the 3 pieces together this way. Then I'll fill the veil net into the braided headband. Make sure it's not so full as you stuff it. Now I've stuffed the pieces of fabric. The next thing is to braid your fabrics. You can use the needle of your sewing machine to hold down the other end. After braiding, stitch the end before you fix your elastic. And you have your beautiful braided headband. The next type of headband I'll be teaching you is the cross or crisscross headband. For the cross headband, you need to cut 2 pieces of fabric, each measuring 18 inches by 6 inches, and you cut another fabric for your elastic, which is measuring 11 inches by 3 inches. Your elastic is usually about 5 inches, 4 to 5 inches long. Stitch the 2 pieces, fix your elastic, After stitching the fabric and giving it a good press, then you cross them like this. Here you have a beautiful headband. The next type of headband I'll be teaching you is the knotted headband or the knot headband. This is quite simple. All you need is a piece of fabric, a long piece of fabric measuring about 25 inches by 8 inches, and you need your another fabric for your elastic casing, which is 11 inches by 3 inches. Fold the fabric and stitch the side, then turn it inside out. You can choose to iron it. Then tie it into a single knot before joining the elastic at the ends. And of course, you have a beautiful knotted headband ready. The next type of headband I'll be teaching is how to make the rose headband. For the rose headband, you cut a piece of fabric measuring 18 inches by 17 inches. This is going to be for the headband. Then you cut a fabric for the elastic case 11 inches by 3 inches. Another piece of fabric, which is going to be what you use to make your rose. This will be measuring about 40 inches long. You stitch everything. After stitching the pieces on the sides, join the elastic to the band, then form a rose with a long strip of fabric and attach the rose to the band. Your rose can be in any preferred shape, and you can make as many roses as you desire and attach them to the headband. The next type of headband we're making is the scrunchie headband. You cut a piece of fabric for the scrunchie measuring 40 inches by 18 inches, and you cut another piece of fabric which you will insert into this scrunchie like a lining for the scrunchie. This will be measuring about 14 inches by 2.5 inches. Then you also have a piece of fabric for your elastic measuring the inches by 3 inches. Stitch the side of the fabric and turn it inside out. Then you insert the lining the way you insert your elastic.